Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Raquel Joy, your girl, is back. Guys, it's a little bit too early in the morning, but guys, allow me just to show you today on how I do my DIY avocado mask for my face and for my hair. I actually have natural hair, right, as you can see, and I'm going to be using the mask as well. This mask is going to be used for my hair. And with that being said, guys, what I'm just gonna do is just to show you the ingredients on how I mix it. But today I'm going to mix with honey, which I can use also in my tea, by the way. I have tea today. I'm not drinking water because it's still early morning, and I don't usually measure. I just put what I feel like is gonna be enough for me. And then I will also use natural yogurt, which you can see. I have an egg as well. And then this is the avocado. So guys, this is very good, and this mask is gonna help you to keep your skin very hydrated. It's gonna help the skin to retain the vitamin E and vitamin C, which is also very good from the carrot. And this is gonna be like I will use some of the carrot oil which I made from last time, which is also right over here. For those people who followed me on last week's video, this is the very same carrot oil that I use. So I'm just going to be adding it in my today's DIY avocado mask. So guys, with that being said, let's just go slide into and just keep watching me. If you need to grab something to drink, as Raquel, I have a cup of tea, which I'm just going to be definitely sipping. Well, as you all know, like, I really love Kiehl's. I'm just gonna use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser, and then I'll get a little bit of it. Just gonna try to be very fast. Go around my face. On my channel, guys, I always try to use most of the natural ingredients, unless when I really feel like my skin needs some booster, or maybe if it's really very frustrated with what I'm giving it. But my skin really loves avocado mask. I'm sure excuse me. Once that is done with the facial cleanser, I'll use the toner from Kiehl's as well, the same company. I love you guys from Kiehl's. So for those people who do really like to try out some of these things, you can check on the Google, and some things you can have these ingredients online. You can order them in Douglas. For those people living in around Europe, in Denmark, Sweden, Holland, Germany, you can access these things. They are really very great ingredients. So I will actually put these ones down because their job is actually done. I'll just grab my small container right over here and try to mix my things. So this is the oil, which is from the coconut oil. I have already warmed it in the microwave. So I'm just going to mix like 40 small tablespoons of coconut oil. 2, 3, 4. This is also done. We can keep it away. I'm just gonna add natural yogurt, and then I'll put 2 spoons of natural yogurt. Everything that I'm using, I'm just keeping it off the camera. And then I'll get 2 spoons of honey. If you're allergic, please, to anything of what I'm trying to put, do not, just keep it and use other things. And sometimes you can use oats. You can just blend the oats and use it to replace it with any of the things that are here. I'm just going to try first of all to mix this. Before I forget, I'm just going to add the carrot oil, just one spoon of carrot oil made by Raquel from the previous video. Guys, if you haven't watched this video, just go ahead and please just check out that video. It's very good for you guys to, you know, to use these natural ingredients. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to mix the avocado. I'm just going to take half of the avocado. It's already, I prepared this actually. I bought this for a couple of days from the supermarket. This is what German has for us. You know, I'm very impressed. At least we have good avocados and they are very tasty. You can have this avocado. Avocado is very good because it's very high in fats. It has omega-3 and it has very natural fats. So it's at least one of, so I will put this, only the half. The reason I'm not going to add the egg right now is because this mask is going to be used as well. I'm going to use this mask in my hair, and with the eggs you always have to be very careful, but I'm just going to as you can really see, it's really mixing very well. So I have 2 containers. I'm just going to divide. The half of this will be going in my hair, and the rest I'm going to keep for my face. Hair actually needs more, the face needs less. So this is where I'm going to only put, for the hair, same thing that I've also used. I'm just going to break the egg. Well, let me just mix that like that. I thought I was going to use the other one, but it's okay, it's all the same. So and then I will mix this for the hair mask. I think you guys have always seen how these things work. So if you don't mind, I'm just showing you on how this looks like. This is a very great mask, guys. You can also try it at home. You can see how it looks like. So it's also okay for the skin, and it's also good. But if you have to use this egg mask, please make sure you apply the mask on the hair, but do not use warm water. Guys, I've been there before. I washed it with a little bit of warm water. I was smelling like breakfast. You know, guys, my hair was full with eggs, and it was very hard to get the eggs out of my hair. So just have to make sure you rinse with very cold water. Not really very cold, I mean like really cold. So this is all set. Let me just get my brushes, and then I'm just going to show you on how I do. You can really see this is gonna be for the hair mask, and also I can also use it for the face. And this one right over here is just without the egg, so I will choose which one I'm going to use on the skin. What I'm thinking right now, and I've already felt my skin is stretching, you know, guys. It's pulling, like, because of the egg, and I feel like, okay, well, I checked on my time, 25 minutes are gone, so we are putting down the mask. What I'm just gonna do is to put off the mask on camera so that you can really see how I do everything. So I'm just gonna try to use this. I'm not removing the mask for the hair. I will leave the mask for the hair for an hour, because I'm not really rushing. So it will sit in my hair for 1 hour, but this one I'm just going to do, I will remove the mask off the skin, and then I'll show you how it ends like. So I will protect my hair first of all, such that I don't make messes. Seriously, my face is like This mask is very good in terms, it strengthens the skin barrier. So good, guys. Try the natural remedies. I tell you guys, I am so happy to use the home remedies. And this is the carrot oil that I made last time. You can really see it has 2 phases. So I will start by shaking it and just leave it here for a while. So we're taking off the mask. That is all done, and then once that is done, guys, you can really see, oh my god, I really feel so good. The skin is so smooth. So just going to use the tonic. This is going to help your skin to avoid aging. That's why we have to keep going there with vitamin E, vitamin C. Guys, take good care of yourselves. I'm just going to take a few drops. My pump doesn't work, actually. It was defect. I don't know what the problem was. It doesn't matter anyway. It's okay, I'm home. I'm just going to take a little bit of some oil after shaking it. Guys, thank you so much again for watching and following me. You guys give me a lot of vibes. You know, every time I come and see, you have already subscribed, and those who have shared, I can really tell. So this is how the oil looks like. Let's just first finish applying my home remedy oil. I hope it wasn't much. So this is also very good for the hands. Guys, remember, we're not keeping any secrets. This is my channel. Like, you guys, I'm really okay to tell you everything that I'm really using that have really helped me to keep my skin very, very simple and very young looking. I do not have really issues with I rarely get out breakouts, but I normally do this kind of you know, the ingredients and remedies and mask. I normally do my own, guys. You can also do your own stuff, I mean, how you like it, but just take good care of your skin, because this is just going to help the anti-aging process, and then it's going to keep your skin barrier very well and very smooth, younger. So this is my mission anyway. So as you can really tell, I will wait for 1 hour, because this the cap is gonna keep my hair very well, the moisture in the hair. And yeah, so guys, this is it, and I really have to tell you, this is it. My skin looks like this. It's very happy. I am happy. First of all, beauty comes within. Remember, what you put inside is what is going to reflect from your skin. What you put on top of your skin is what is going to reflect. If you do not take good care of your skin, what do you expect? It won't look any good. So if you take good care of your skin, you will be amazed with all the benefits and the outcome of everything. So with that all being said, allow me to go, and guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye, Raquel Joy. Bye, guys.